Kia ora tātou, welcome to Māori Business Network. I'm Brent Reihana. Today we're coming to you from Cockatoo Island in the middle of Sydney Harbour at the Sydney Biennale. A group in New Zealand say they found the solution for the survival of Te Reo Māori. A spokesman for the group say the program is currently running and is backed by the Ministry of Education in New Zealand.
The Te Tarangi School in New South Wales holds regular classes and brings kayako from Aotearoa for a yearly wānanga. The school has served the community for nearly 10 years, with kayako Tārewa Parengahatai joining the school at the very beginning. Meanwhile, churches also play their part in ensuring that Te Reo is kept alive and well in Australia.
A remembrance service was held at Sydney's Te Wairua Tapu Church for the New Zealand service men and women who lost their lives in action in Afghanistan.
The veterans wanted to have the opportunity to say goodbye to our fallen in Afghanistan, more particularly because there were 5 young soldiers killed in Afghanistan in a very short period of time. Frank Harlow from World War II even came today, and these veterans have seen a loss of lives, Vietnam, Malaya and many others. So wherever possible we try to farewell our own fallen, no matter where they are. The mood of the service was, as you would expect, very sombre. I think it's very hard to put into words what the mood was, but I think you can feel it and you can see it on their faces.
Having a memorial service in Wairua Tapu for our whānau. The boy Harris is related to Taranaki.
For me personally, I think it was just another time to reflect and to realise that our affiliations with New Zealand just don't stop in New Zealand. You can't really describe how proud we are. I guess all we're at the moment is trying to comprehend that our Rory, and I'm talking in respect of our family, won't be coming back to us. But it's I guess our pride in him will help us to get through that. I'm the eldest, but he was our youngest little boy. He was our mum's little. We're going to miss him deeply, and I think we reflected that today. Just became this warrior that we're going to miss.
Australian Labor Minister Kelvin Thomas found himself in hot water with Kiwis on both sides of the Tasman over his comments regarding the open-ended immigration policy allowing New Zealanders into Australia. Here's what Kiwis in Sydney had to say about Kelvin Thomas's remarks.
I think we're raising the average IQ of both countries.
You've got all these people from the other countries, they're not paying their own way, and we will. Why do this to us?
I believe you guys should let them in the country.
Cut it out, no more. Not too many. We would like the refugees and boat people, give it to them.
Don't forget, if you want to make a comment, go to our Facebook page, facebook.com/Māori Network, and also the Bridge Walk, Sunday 16th of September. Come along, join our team. From Cockatoo Island in the middle of Sydney Harbour, this is Māori Business Network. I'm Brent Reihana, noho ora mai.